Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting on our GBP JPY. So if you're yet to subscribe and you've not done that, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like, share. You can also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I'll put the link in the comment section. So let's start with our trend on GBP JPY. You clearly can see that on our trend on GBP JPY, we are ranging. You can see that we can see our resistance and our support level where markets we get to our resistance level, reject from it, then drop to the support level and also reject from it. Now take a look at what market did here. You can see that when markets eventually came up to this level, from this level it came, then eventually dropped and eventually gave us this false breakout, which took out a lot of people thinking we will continue the movement to the upside, but markets eventually dropped back in, give us a pullback here, drop back in, and now we are getting this pullback. So once this pullback is over, which I believe it will push up to a level of possibly 200. Once you can tap that level of 200, if possible it will come to that level of 200, expect another drop on GBPJPY. So GBPJPY, our bias is still to the downside, so we will still be expecting that sell to our support level. But first of all, let this pullback be over, so watch out for it. And also follow the Telegram channel. I'll be giving out free signal on GBP USD, so stay updated. You'll find a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.